Hello people, welcome to day 20.
You had to think about that then, didn't you?
I almost said 21 then, it's not 21.
It's 20.
Day 20. Day 20.
Of Waxvent.
Of Waxvent, yes. And you can see we've got this like pretty full here, full of dark, soft wax. That's all it really is on this one.
Old stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, just relatively straightforward, but just messy.
Yeah. There's a little gap at the top, and just see above that plug there.
Yeah, but it's we're going to try and do what we always try and do, is try and detach it off the ear canal first.
Yeah.
So you can see there's this little bit around the outer edge, which is just kind of glued itself to the ear canal. So we just got to try and get that grip now. That's the problem.
Looks like a little round ball, so I'm hoping if we can get that bottom section lifted, it's going to pull it all out.
Oh,
there you go.
see, look.
Like septic peg.
Yeah, we're almost like in sync. That's what I was thinking.
You complete me, Taylor Green. I'm like Taylor's mini-me.
No, oh yeah, just like a bigger mini-me.
Yeah.
Larger me.
Yeah, bigger. Maxi-me.
Dr. Evil. Oh, look at this. We've got this last tiny little slither that's super, super deep. Luckily, has come away quite nicely. This is the fine end we're using here. The smaller the suction tubes. Just going to try and grab that last little bit. Nice. It's too close to the ear canal for me to... Look at this one. This is really fun. That other one that we've just done, actually, the patient didn't really feel he had any issues with that side. This is the one that was causing the problem, and you can kind of see why.
I was hoping that was going to be solid and front.
Yeah.
You'd lift like, and the whole thing had detached on the right and come out in one big chunk.
Nope.
Afraid not.
No. So it's that kind of weird consistency again, similar to what we had the other day, where it's soft enough for us to get a grip, but it's not quite soft enough for us to kind of get it all out in one go. So what I'm trying to do here is, again, try and peel away, get away some of these bits on the outer part of the ear canal, trying to loosen this plug up. If I need to use some oil, then I could, pop some of this in to get underneath.
Yeah.
You can see all that skin that's just really holding this in place. It's just slowly, you can see as I'm taking it away, it's just all slowly drawing into the suction tube.
It all kind of implodes off the side, isn't it?
Yeah,
Where how thick that piece of skin is on the left is what's going to be. Oh, there we go. It's underneath as well. This could be a bit more problematic. You just want that slightly harder consistency there to put it over the top of that skin, didn't you?
Yeah, that's what I was kind of hoping for, just to get that good grip so the whole thing comes out in one go.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's changing. It's changing. It's nearly there.
I can say, I think this kind of breaks apart, if I can remember.
Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah.
I was hoping that bottom section.
The tube up as well.
Yeah. Well, yeah. If you peel down, it might roll it. Or is it
I'm just trying to draw it all into the. Oh,
there we go.
Comes. There you go. So yeah, you always with these kind of blockages, if you've never seen our videos before, where have you been?
Why not?
Where have you been?
We're over the internet, man.
We're like well over 1,000 now, isn't it? Nearly 2,000 now. Yeah, your kind of symptoms really for these like really fully occluded, fully blocked up ears. You get like sensation of fullness. Your own voice will normally sound a lot louder in your head. You can get an increase in tinnitus or an onset of tinnitus. There's a couple of different things. You can sometimes get some dizziness.
Yes, you
can get all sorts of. Any issues, just get them looked at.
Yeah, if you
book yourself an appointment,
you can have a little look at the link tree in the description. There's a link in there, and it will take you straight through. You can actually book an appointment directly with myself or Miss Taylor Green, or with Claire as well. So you can get an appointment with one of us, and we'll get that sorted out for you. 2 inches or just over 2 inches. I'm going to go on that one.
Oh, 5.5 centimeters.
That's a good plan.
Oh, fair play.
Well, guys, thank you very much for watching our video again today. If you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe. If you thoroughly enjoy the videos, you can also consider becoming members, and that way again, you get even more videos. And myself and the lovely Miss Taylor Green will be back tomorrow for day 21 of Waxvent. We're in the last couple of days. But as always, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, and we shall see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.